AI has completely changed the game in different areas, such as technology and healthcare. Thus, it's become more important than ever to grasp its concepts and uses. Luckily, there are plenty of great AI courses to help you out, no matter your skill level or interests. In this video, we'll check out 6 AI courses that can boost your smarts. We'll cover all sorts of cool stuff like prompt engineering, generative AI, natural language processing, and even AI ethics. So let's jump right into the exciting world of AI education. Number 1. ChatGPT Prompt Engineering. Let's dive into the first AI course, ChatGPT Prompt Engineering. This course is all about using large language models like ChatGPT effectively. It's a free course developed by OpenAI and Deep Learning AI, and it's designed to help you understand how to give clear instructions to ChatGPT so that it gives you the responses you want. Prompt engineering is all about optimizing your prompts. You want them to be clear, specific, well-structured, and aware of the context of the conversation. The course will teach you all these techniques and more. By learning prompt engineering, you'll be able to guide ChatGPT to generate accurate and relevant responses. But here's the fun part, you can also make it creative. ChatGPT can surprise you with unexpected and interesting answers. It's like having a conversation with a really smart friend. Remember, prompt engineering is an ongoing process. As you practice and become more familiar with ChatGPT, you'll get better at crafting prompts that get the most out of the model. So take the time to learn prompt engineering and unlock the full potential of ChatGPT. It's an exciting journey that will enhance your interactions and make ChatGPT an even more powerful tool for you. Number 2. Google Generative AI Courses. Google Generative AI Courses are a fantastic opportunity to explore the basics of generative AI in a user-friendly way. Generative AI involves creating new data like images, text, or music, and these courses provide a solid foundation in this exciting field. You don't need any prior experience to get started. The courses cover a wide range of topics, including different types of generative AI models, how to train them effectively, and their practical applications in various industries. You'll learn from experts in the field who work at Google, and you can access the courses through platforms like Coursera, Google Cloud Skills Boost, and ADX. By enrolling in Google Generative AI Courses, you'll gain a deeper understanding of this cutting-edge technology and its potential. The courses provide hands-on experience, allowing you to work with generative AI models directly. This practical approach will sharpen your problem-solving skills and encourage your creative thinking. Moreover, the knowledge and skills you acquire will empower you to apply generative AI techniques to real-world situations. As you progress through the courses, you'll have opportunities to connect with other professionals in the field, expanding your network and opening doors to exciting possibilities. 3. Harvard CS50 AI. Harvard CS50 AI is an exciting online course that takes you on a journey into the fascinating world of AI and machine learning, all using the beginner-friendly language of Python. Created by the esteemed Harvard University, this course covers the essentials of AI, including search algorithms, machine learning, and natural language processing. What makes this course truly special is its hands-on approach, where you get to apply what you learn through engaging projects. During your time with CS50 AI, get ready to explore new and intriguing concepts that will challenge your thinking and spark your creativity. You'll gain valuable programming and problem-solving skills, all while discovering how to use AI techniques to solve real-world problems. Plus, since Python is widely embraced in the AI community, you'll become familiar with its power and versatility, along with a range of handy AI libraries and tools. As you progress through this rigorous course, you'll sharpen your critical thinking abilities, allowing you to analyze problems from various angles and develop innovative solutions. Additionally, you'll unlock your creative potential, learning how to use AI in unique and imaginative ways. Along the way, you'll also enhance your communication skills, as you'll have opportunities to present and explain your work effectively. Number 4. Learn Prompting. This course is all about prompt engineering, and it's designed to help you communicate effectively with large language models, such as ChatGPT. The best part is that it's suitable for learners at all levels, starting from beginners and taking you all the way to advanced techniques. Learn Prompting consists of 60 content modules, covering everything you need to know. The curriculum is completely free and open source, making it accessible to everyone. By mastering prompt engineering techniques, you'll be able to get more accurate and relevant responses from the language models. You'll also learn how to guide them to perform specific tasks and tap into their creative potential. In addition to the fundamentals, Learn Prompting also dives into advanced techniques like few-shot prompting and role prompting. But it's not just about the course material. Learn Prompting also provides a community forum where you can engage with other learners. This means you can ask questions, share tips, and collaborate with like-minded individuals who are interested in prompt engineering. Number 5. Stanford CS224N. Stanford CS224N is an exciting course that delves deep into the world of natural language processing, or NLP, with deep learning. In this course, you'll have the opportunity to learn from top-notch experts who will guide you through the latest advancements in deep learning for NLP. You'll explore fascinating topics like convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and attention mechanisms. Stanford CS224N is designed to enhance your understanding of deep learning and expand your knowledge of NLP. Through thought-provoking exercises and engaging projects, you'll sharpen your critical thinking skills and develop the ability to come up with creative solutions. Enrolling in this course means gaining valuable insights into neural networks, text classification, question answering, and machine translation. The practical problem-solving exercises will not only strengthen your critical thinking abilities, but also improve your communication skills, enabling you to effectively convey complex ideas. The skills you acquire through Stanford CS224 will open up exciting career opportunities in the thriving field of AI. Deep learning and NLP are in high demand, and by mastering these concepts, you'll position yourself for success in this rapidly evolving industry. Number 6. AI for Everyone. AI for Everyone, otherwise known as AI4E, is a non-technical course designed to introduce people from all backgrounds to the fascinating world of modern AI technologies and their practical applications. Even if you don't have a technical background, this course offers you the chance to explore AI concepts and discover ways to apply them within your organization. AI4E aims to make learning about AI accessible to everyone, using simple terms and examples. Throughout the course, you will uncover new concepts and gain valuable insights into the ethical considerations surrounding AI. By thinking critically about these implications, you'll be able to make informed decisions about how to use AI responsibly. Furthermore, AI4E will empower you to tap into the creative potential of AI, enabling you to apply it in your work and personal life in innovative ways. The course delves into various aspects of AI, including its role in familiar applications like search engines, recommender systems, and even self-driving cars. You'll also explore important ethical topics such as bias and privacy, ensuring that you're equipped to navigate the responsible use of AI. By developing your skills in leveraging AI for creative problem-solving, you'll not only unlock your intellectual potential, but also gain a deeper understanding of this transformative technology. As AI rapidly transforms industries and society, it makes it even more crucial to stay informed and educated about its principles and applications. From prompt engineering and generative AI to NLP and AI ethics, these courses discussed in this video provide the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the world of AI successfully. Whether you're a developer, a non-technical professional, or a curious learner, these courses can make you smarter and equip you for the AI-driven future.